Here we have a 2017 17 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now on this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just hiding behind those we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the LED headlights as well as the black Kiddie Girls full M Sport styling kits. You get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now you do have the blacked out styling on this vehicle, so you get the black window trim with also the privacy glass on the rear. Now we do have dual exhaust flush at the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser, rear reversing sensors, and we also have a power release rear tailgate from a touch of a button on the key. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if we look into the rear of this car, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now as you can see we do have full Dakota leather throughout, with ISOFIX points, pull down armrest, and you also have the storage nets behind the driver in the passenger seat. Going to the front. There's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat with the extended thigh support. Very comfortable seats, and both the front seats are also heated. On the doors you do get your electric windows with your integrated Harman speakers. Jumping inside, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you do have keyless start from a touch of a button. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, and you also have cruise control and speed limiter just over there as well. Now this vehicle has done just over 81,700 miles and is free from any worn lights on the dashboard. Now coming to the centre, you can find the satellite navigation screen, where you can find again your satellite navigation. You also have your media connectivity, so you do have your DAB radio, scroll across. You also have FM, AM, music collection, aux, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, snap-in and also USB. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, navigation, and you do get your different drive modes, so you do get Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus, and you can also view your sport display, so your kilowatts of power and unit meters of torque that you're currently using. Pop it into reverse, you can see the rear reversing sensor just there. Coming down it, we have your dual zone climate control, which works exactly how you would expect it to, with 2 heated front seats. As you can see, work exactly how you'd expect them to, and a very nice addition to this car, especially for those cold winter mornings. Storage tray, 2 nice sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. Track control on and off, as well as your driver mode select, and this is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. Now when you're in the satellite navigation mode, you can use the touchpad on there to zoom in and out, and you can also use the dial. Soft touch leather armrest, which moves forwards and back to suit your driving position, and you also have storage just underneath there as well. There's a look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, we do have a competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 320d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features, demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I can simply press the cruise control button again or apply pressure to the brakes, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 8th gear, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Back into automatic now. Now as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now there is plenty of great features in this vehicle to talk about. Of course, starting with the infotainment screen on here, you'll find features like Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio. We've also got our Harman Kardon sound system that pairs up with it all, which sounds absolutely fantastic. Of course, then we've got the full leather interior, which is incredibly comfortable, looks great, and is as well heated, so perfect for those cold British mornings we're currently facing. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Guru. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. Really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms. Keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to turn right into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse and then also drive over a speed bump. So we'll just cross it now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there. We'll just wait for that car to pass. There we go, straight into reverse, no problems at all. And then we'll also drive over the speed bump. There we go, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this video useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.